How to send GIFs on Snapchat. So let's get started. First of all, open the Snapchat app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once inside the Snapchat app, all you have to do is tap on the camera icon at the bottom of the screen to take a snap. You need to take a picture or video before you can move on to the next step. Once you take the photo, then tap on the sticker icon on the right hand side of your image. Then all you have to do is tap on the GIF option available there. Note that you can choose a sticker from this area if you prefer, or you can add typical Snapchat things like the date or temperature as well. Now choose a GIF from the Giphy section. It may also be called Giphy trending on some devices. Now once done so, drag the GIF around on the screen to where you want to place it. You can pinch the GIF to make it bigger or smaller, or want to remove it, then you can drag it to the trash can. Once done, you can tap on the send to send the completed image to a friend or post it to your story. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.